in this video we'll see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Linux Mint 22.3. Then we will connect from the DBeaver and MySQL Workbench. So first open the default web browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, scroll down, click on this MySQL community downloads, then click on MySQL community server, then select the version. See, here we have the 8.0.45. If you are unable to find the version, click on archives. There you will find all older versions. Select it, then select the operating system. See, here we don't have the Linux Mint, okay, but open terminal, /etc os-release. See, its ID is like Ubuntu and its Ubuntu code means Noble. Noble means it is Ubuntu 24.04. Okay, so select Ubuntu Linux, then select the version Ubuntu 24.04. Then scroll down. See, once you selected, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this first one, that is Deb bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 488 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will enter the star file and we will install MySQL Server 8.0.45. Okay, in meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now go to terminal, cd downloads ls. See, here we have the MySQL Server 8.0.45. Now extract the star file tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name, hit enter. ls. See, here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install them. Control A. But before installing them, we have to install following dependencies: sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8, then libaio-dev. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, it is going to install these packages. Type a confirmation and hit enter. Now Control A, ls, install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Now we have to set the password for root account. Hit enter. Re-enter the same password. Remember this password, later we need this password to log in. Hit enter. Now select OK by using tab and hit enter. See, here we have the two types of default plugins: use strong password encryption or use legacy authentication method. Whatever you want, you can select. Then come to OK, then hit enter. We have successfully installed. Control L. Now verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is running, okay, and it is started 21 seconds and its service status is enabled. Quit. Now connect to MySQL server, mysql-u root-p. Then provide the password that we have set for root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Linux Mint 22.3. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Now verify list of databases. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create a database. Verify. See, we have created database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Now verify tables in this database. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create a table and insert some data into this table. See, we have created table customer. Let us insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. Now create user. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Verify again. See, we have created a user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. Username is David-p. Then provide the password. See here, whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current _ user. See, we have connected to MySQL server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to stop, start and restart MySQL server 8.0.45 on Linux Mint 22. Okay. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL server is stopped or dead 3 seconds ago. Okay. Quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -b. See, we are unable to connect. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started 2 seconds ago. If you want to restart, just give restart instead of start. Hit enter. Restarted successfully. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Quit. We have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore. So rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Why I am removing is to clear the space. Ls remove this file also. Rm MySQL. Press the tab. Ls we have cleared the space. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. Okay, I have already installed both on Linux Mint. Now, okay, first we will connect from the DBeaver. Go to all applications, then DBeaver. See here, I have the DBeaver. Click on it to open. Now, click on this plus button or go to database and select new database connection. Then select MySQL. Then click on next. Then we have to provide the server host. MySQL is installed on this one. If it is installed on some other, then we have to provide that host name or IP. 33006 is the default for the MySQL. Then provide the database. I have the database bank. I have the user root, or you can provide the newly created user. Then provide the password. Then click on text connection. This is the way to connect from the DBeaver. Click on it. Click on download drivers. See, successfully connected to MySQL server 8.0.45. Click on OK. Click on finish. Now expand the connection. Expand databases. See, we have these databases. Expand users. See here, we have these users. If you want to run queries against this database, right click SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can perform the actions. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, you got the output. Okay, so the other tool is MySQL Workbench. Go to all applications, then search for MySQL. See here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it to open. See, by default it has added the connection. If it is not added, first remove this one, delete this connection, delete connection, delete. Then click on this plus button or cancel it. Then go to this database. Click on this database, then select connect to database. Then here we have to provide the IP. By default it has added loopback IP or localhost. If it is installed on some other, then provide that one. I have the user root, if it is okay, or you can give the recently created user, then provide the password of this root account, then click on OK, then click on OK. Then see, we have successfully connected. On the top, see here we have the two tabs, administration and schemas. Schemas means databases. Okay, if you want to run queries against that database that you have created, first we have to use database name, then select star from customer, execute it. See, you got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.45 on Linux Mint 22.3. Then we have seen how to connect MySQL Server from the DBeaver and MySQL Workbench. Okay, for more MySQL or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.